Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are absolutely so welcome. I'm Ikemini, the CEO of this beautiful channel. So guys, today's video is actually going to be me telling you guys how I film my video, like the equipment I use in filming my video. My filming equipment are so inexpensive and so cheap. It is a go-to filming equipment. It is something anybody can afford. So if you are looking at starting up a YouTube channel and you are actually confused about whether to start up because you do not have the kind of equipment your favorite YouTubers have, that is actually a big lie. You can actually start up your YouTube channel with absolutely nothing. So I'm going to be giving you guys a list of things you should have if you are considering starting up a YouTube channel, especially if you are a student, if you have not started any money from your YouTube, or if you have not started any money in life in general, because some people just want to start up a YouTube channel because they want to actually start earning money. So this video is actually for you. So the very basic necessity, like the number one thing I feel you should have, is a phone. Now if you are starting up a YouTube channel and you want to use, like, if you want to start up with like a camera, a digital camera, it is actually going to be very nice. But if you don't have that, then I would advise that you start up with your phone. When I talk about your phone, I mean any kind of phone, the kind of phone that when you snap a picture, you are actually going to be very proud of that picture. I don't mean the phone that when you snap a picture you don't like the picture quality. The phone must be bright, it must be sharp, it must be good. So if you have a phone, no matter what type, if you have an Android phone that is very good, you can actually use it. If you have an iPhone, you can actually use it. It doesn't really have to be an iPhone. An Android phone that has good quality is actually a go-to. For me, since the day I started my YouTube channel till date, I am still using my phone. I've not gotten a camera, although I was planning to. I think I will, but I feel I'm not going to have a camera yet. I feel like I want to upgrade my phone quality. I want to get a new phone that is going to be bigger than this particular one, so I can be using it to film, and then I can be using it to do other things. Because I feel like having a good phone, like filming with my phone, like having a good phone that I can use to film, and it's just going to be like 2-in-1. I can use it and film, I can still use it and do my normal activity, whereas a phone is just going to be whereas a camera is just going to be only for camera, although it's still good, sure. But presently I'm using an iPhone, I think 6 Plus. That is what I'm using. That's what I've been using to film ever since I started this YouTube channel, and that is still what I'm using. So you don't have to kill yourself over anything. Just get yourself a phone, and that is going to be it. The second thing I feel is necessary when you're starting up a YouTube channel is actually a ring light. You might actually want to get like a small ring light that you can be using when there is no lights or stuff like that. For me, ever since I started my YouTube channel till date, till this time I'm filming this video, I have never ever used a ring light. I've never owned a ring light. So if you have the money, you can actually buy a ring light, but if you don't, you can actually do like me. I use direct sunlight. So when I want to film my video, I make sure I'm staying opposite the window. Presently I am staying just opposite the window. The window is just there and I'm staying just opposite the window, so that the lights can be reflecting on me, and it's just going to give me that brightness I need. So if you have money to buy a ring light, it's going to be very nice, so that you just keep your ring light there. But you know, Nigeria and light issue, that means if you have a ring light, you must be making your videos every time there is light. When there is no light, you don't think of making videos. Whereas if you are using a natural light just like me, you don't have to bother about light or no light. So if you're starting up and you don't really have money to like purchase the big kind of equipment, I'd advise you use your natural light, because natural light is actually very good. It's the best. You will film your video without you thinking about NEPA or whatever. I mean, you don't care about anything. You're just filming your video, and it's just going to be giving you that natural color and natural setting. So that is just it. I feel like one time we were supposed to vacate this video, like we were supposed to go to another room, but because the room was dark, we preferred to actually stay here. So whenever you are filming your video, that's a life hack, make sure you are staying in a place that the light can be reflecting on you. So the next thing I feel you should have is a tripod stand. Now tripod stand is actually a very nice, like it's something you should have when you want to start, like when you want to start up your video, or when you want to, I don't know, when you want to create content. There is no life hack for this one. There's no way you tell me you don't want a tripod stand and you keep your phone somewhere. It won't work. So you just need a tripod stand. For me, there is this tripod stand I'm presently using right now. It's a short tripod stand. It's just a portable tripod stand, the one you can hold with your hand. I think it was for my mom. My mom had two, so I took one from her. I mean, she gave me one. So it cost about 6,000 naira. But my friend that is starting up her YouTube channel lately here in my school, she actually got this tripod stand. This one is about 10,000 naira, but she bought it for 9,000 naira. They sold it for her for 9,000 naira. So I'm just going to show you guys how this one is, in case you're actually, in case you're thinking of wanting one. It is 1020 millimeters long. It can also be shortened to 350 millimeter, and it can also be shortened again for 345 millimeter. I don't even know if those things I'm saying are actually correct, but let me show you guys how it is. It is like this. You can actually get it on Jumia. We tried ordering it from Jumia, but the app wasn't working, so we had to go to the market. But they are on Jumia everywhere. So it comes like this, and it has 3 steps. It's a 3-step tripod stand. So this is how long it is actually. This is how long it is. It's so long. So you just have to open the 3 of them, and you use it the way it is. So this is where you can actually use it for your phone or your camera. If you're using your phone, you have to keep this one and keep your phone inside. If you're using your camera, you can actually clip your camera here, and that is going to be it. So this one cost 10,000 naira, but she got it at 9,000 naira. But because Jumia were actually running sales, we saw it for 6,000 something. So if you want to order, you can actually check on Jumia to get it. The name is DK3888. DK3888. That's the name. They say yeah, it's a 3-way. It has a 3-way head, built-in level. It's an aluminium. So the next thing you should have, like the basic you should have, is actually an editing app. If you have a laptop, it's going to be good for you to be using your laptop to actually film, to actually edit your videos. But if you don't have a laptop, there is no need for you to worry yourself. All you need to do is grab your cell phone and download. There is InShot, which I recommend any day, anytime. I like using InShot for my phone because InShot leaves your video, like, it doesn't give watermark. There's no, you know, when some people, you see their video and you see the name of the app they used in editing the video down somewhere. InShot doesn't actually give you that kind of vibe. So there are others. There's KineMaster. You can actually use KineMaster. You can just check out for apps that you can use in editing your videos that would not leave watermark on your videos, and you are just going to be good to go. That's if you don't have money to buy a laptop. I was always using laptop to edit my videos right from the start because my sister had many laptops, so I was using one of it. But if you don't have a laptop, there's no need to think, there's no need to feel like you are not included. You just have to get your phone. Make sure your phone has lots of space. So download these apps you can use for your phone, which are the ones I just mentioned. You can use InShot, you can use KineMaster. Those are the 2 that I have used that I know are very good. Download it and use it, and then you can just post your videos. I use them sometimes too. There was one time the app I was using in editing from my laptop was actually like cracking, something like that, so I had to switch to my phone. I had to be down. I was editing my videos with my phone, so it is actually something you can try out. It's not, nobody's going to know that you use the phone to edit these videos. That's just the beauty of it. Nobody's going to know except you include it in your comment section that this is what I use my phone in filming, I use my phone in editing. Nobody knows, nobody cares about those things anyways. So the next thing I feel you should know, one of the basic I feel you should have is a background. If you are going to be doing like sit down videos like this one that I'm doing right now. It is going to be nice for you to have a background, like backdrop kind of thing, so that it's going to be giving your video a nice quality and nice setting. But if you don't have, it's not a do or that. You can't kill yourself. Like me, I had backgrounds when I was in the house, I had backdrop when I was in the house, but since I came here, it's kind of very stressful for me to transport them to this place. And even if I bring them here now, this room setting is not even like, I can't, the stress is just too much. So I prefer to just stay here. I make sure the back, like the back where you're going to be seeing, is not too scattered. I try my best to arrange it, even though it's not very perfect, and then I just stay. But if you are going to be filming videos, you might want to be having backdrops, especially when you know that you're going to be creating content that are going to be related to makeup, tutorials, maybe skincare, all those kind of things. You might want a very plain background, not like this kind of background that I'm using right now. So that is it. So the next thing I want to continue getting is music. You see some YouTubers, you see some of your favorite YouTubers having like very nice music. Most of this music, they actually pay for them. Others you can get them for free. But you know, here on YouTube, you don't just get anybody's music and put them on your videos. You have to make sure that they are copyright free and they are good to go. So if you want to get copyright free music here on YouTube, you can actually click on No Copyright Vlog. That's the name of a YouTube channel where they download, like they publish many copyright free music and people download it and use it on their videos. You can actually check out Epidemic Sound. That one you have to actually, I think you subscribe to that particular, you subscribe and then they give you music for free that you can use. So guys, that is basically all I have for you today in this video. I hope this video was interesting and helpful to someone. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to your family and friends, to your colleague, to your sister that is in school, to people that are in school that are thinking of actually starting up a YouTube channel but did not have equipment, including people that are actually thinking of starting up a YouTube channel but are waiting for them, like they are waiting to get all the equipment before starting. No, you actually have to start. So that is just it. Thumbs this video up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys in another of my video. Bye.